hearts full of humility and deep gratitude, we pause today to honor 25 years of walking in faith. A journey sustained not by our own strength, but by God's boundless grace, the loving support of community, and the quiet and enduring power of hope. Each year has unfolded like a page in a sacred story, sometimes filled with clarity and joy, other times marked by questions, waiting, and quiet perseverance. Through it all, God's faithful presence and the steady companionship of those around us have made every step not only possible, but profoundly meaningful. To our sisters in the congregation, Sister Eden in the General Council, formators, the young and the once young sisters, thank you for being the living expression of shared blessing. In your presence, we have known laughter, challenge, prayer, and deep belonging. We have carried one another, stood in the gap for one another, and found Christ in our shared humanity. Truly, this journey could never have been walked alone. To our families, relatives and friends, whose silent prayers, loving encouragement, and steady support have sustained us. Your presence is a quiet strength we deeply treasure. To all those we have encountered in the ministry, and those who have touched our lives in return, thank you for revealing the face of God in countless ways. You have deepened our call and renewed our commitment time and time again. And to each one of you present here today, and to our main celebrant, Father Bong Diliarte, and the celebrating priest, our young professed sisters, junior sisters, novices, and aspirants, our employees and co-workers, who gave their very best to make this celebration meaningful and memorable. Your presence is a gift. Thank you for being part of this moment, for your prayers, your words, and your quiet gestures of support. Finally, to the God of surprises, whose mercy has outlasted our doubts, and whose love has reached beyond every border, we give thanks. This life is not something we could have ever planned, deserved, or earned. It is a gift, pure, sacred, and undeserved gift. This silver jubilee is not a finish line, but a milestone on the path. And so, we move forward, open to whatever comes next, carrying the same hope that began this journey 25 years ago. A hope grounded not in certainty, but trust. Trust in you, Lord, and in the community you have given us. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you. Let us continue walking together in faith and in love and in deep hope. Maraming salamat. Daghang salamat. Diyos mabalos. Anyang mga kenyayo aming apo. Dakal kong salamat. Sheshe, grazie. Thank you, and may God bless us all.
Please all rise as we chant the Magnificat.